Hi everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and suddenly find yourself locked out, don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through the most effective ways to get back into your iPhone. You'll learn how to reset it wirelessly, how to unlock it with a computer, and what options you have if you prefer not to reset your device. Let's jump right in and get your iPhone working again. We'll start by showing you how to reset your iPhone wirelessly using the Forgot Passcode option available on iOS. This is the simplest way to unlock your iPhone without a computer. The feature works on iOS 15.2 and later, as long as your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and Find My iPhone is turned on. You'll also need your Apple ID password to complete the reset. Start by deliberately entering the wrong passcode multiple times until your screen shows iPhone unavailable. The Forgot Passcode option will appear at the bottom of the screen. In iOS versions 15.2 through 16, you must enter an incorrect passcode 3 times. Under the Try Again in 1 hour prompt, this option will be labeled as Erase iPhone. Tap Forgot Passcode. This will erase everything on your device, including the passcode. If you've previously enabled iCloud backup or have a computer backup, you can restore your data afterward. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. Next, enter the Apple ID password associated with the device. Then tap Erase iPhone again to begin the reset. If your device uses an eSIM card, choose whether to keep or remove the eSIM card before resetting. Wait a few moments. After the reset finishes, the Hello screen will appear. You can now begin setting up your device. If you have a backup, restore from it and create a new password at the end. If this method doesn't work for you, let's move on. If you are unable to reset your iPhone using the Forgot Password option, you can unlock it using tenorshare for UK on a PC or Mac. For UK can help you bypass forgotten passcodes, Face ID or Touch ID issues, and even Apple ID lockouts. Whether you can't remember your passcode or your iPhone is stuck in security lockout, this tool provides a straightforward solution. Click the download link in the description to get For UK for your PC or Mac. Once installed, launch it and choose Unlock iOS screen. This begins a full reset on your locked iPhone, permanently erasing all data and settings. Without an existing backup, your data cannot be restored, but you will regain access to your device. Connect your iPhone to the computer. If it isn't recognized, For UK will guide you into recovery mode. Once done, verify your device information. Then click to download the corresponding iOS firmware. The download takes around 5 to 10 minutes. If your iPhone exits recovery mode during the download, don't worry. Let the download finish, then re-enter recovery mode and repeat the restore process. After the download completes, click Start to remove. Wait a few minutes for the reset process to complete. When finished, your iPhone restarts. Set it up as new or restore from an iCloud/computer backup if you have one. Let's continue. Recovery mode is another official method to erase and unlock your iPhone. You'll need a Make or PC compatible data cable and the ability to put your device into recovery mode based on its model. First, connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac, then follow the instructions for your model. For iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up, then press the volume down, and finally hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and side buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the side button and the home button until the recovery mode screen appears. After entering recovery mode, iTunes or Finder should open automatically. If not, open it manually. You'll see a prompt with Update or Restore. Choose Restore to erase the device and remove the forgotten passcode. Your computer will download the latest iOS version, which may take several minutes. After the download completes, your iPhone will automatically begin the reset process. Once restoring is complete, your passcode will be gone. Set up your iPhone and restore your data from a backup if available. Next, we'll introduce a method for remotely to unlock your iPhone, giving you another option. If Find My iPhone is enabled and you know your Apple ID password, you can erase the locked iPhone directly from iCloud without touching the device. On another device or computer, go to iCloud.com/find, sign in with your Apple ID. Select the locked iPhone from the device list. Choose Erase iPhone. Proceed according to the steps. This will remove all data, settings, and your forgotten passcode. Once the erase is complete, set up your iPhone and restore from an iCloud or computer backup if available. This is one of the easiest remote options if your locked device is online. Now let's move to the final method. If you recently changed your password but forgot it, iOS 17 and later allow you to use your old password for up to 72 hours to unlock and reset your new passcode. After several failed passcode attempts, tap Forgot Passcode on the disabled screen. When the feature is available, you may select Enter Previous Passcode. Enter your old passcode to unlock your iPhone instantly and set a new one, all without erasing your data. Make sure your device has an internet connection for this feature to work. That's it, you're back in. I hope this tutorial helps you resolve the issue of forgetting your iPhone passcode. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone unlocking tutorials. If the device does not belong to you or you cannot verify ownership, please contact Apple or the original owner. Never attempt any bypass methods. If you have other iPhone device issues, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching.